ṣe Sharia panel and Sharia court nílẹ̀ Yíbò lẹ gbé Sultan of Sokoto ní condition tó le tó yẹn. Àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ò tútù rárá o. Bàrí bàbà. Mo fà o. Àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ti bójú Sultan of Sokoto jẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sharia lọ. Bóyá o ti gbọ́ àbó ti gbọ́. Jẹ́ ń gbé ẹ débẹ̀ ọmọ ìyá mi. Ṣó mọ̀ pé bó ṣe ń push fún Sharia law, Sharia panel, Sharia this, Sharia court nílẹ̀ yìí Yorùbá, wọ́n ti gbé dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ọmọ Yíbò náà. Ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ mọ irú ìṣẹ̀dá táwọn ọmọ Yíbò jẹ́. Ó mọ̀ pé Yorùbá máa ń rárá gbà nǹkan afárabalẹ̀, wọ́n á máa rojọ́ ṣe kí àwọn ilé ìwé ọ̀ràn yẹn o. Tó bá mọ condition burúkú tí wọ́n gbé Sultan of Sokoto, wàá fi tí ara ẹ gbọ́, wàá fojú ara ẹ rí. Bọ̀ kí tó gbé fídíò yẹn wọlé fún ẹ. Wọ́n ní kí Sultan of Sokoto on one condition làwọn fi máa gba Sharia ní South East nílẹ̀ Yíbò. Kí tí Sultan of Sokoto kó kọ́kọ́ wó gbogbo àwọn mosque tó wà north, kó wó palẹ̀, kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kọ́ Catholic churches síbẹ̀. Wọ́n ní kó wá sílẹ̀ Yíbò, gigantic mosque tó kọ́ síbẹ̀, kó wó gbogbo ẹ̀ palẹ̀, kó wá ṣe kí ni, kó wá fi kọ́ Catholic church torí ìkọ́ táwọn sìn ẹ̀sìn tí wọ́n nìyẹn Holy Mary. Wọ́n wá tún continue, wọ́n ní paríparí ẹ̀. Sultan of Sokoto ní láti fàyè ẹ̀ fún Jésù. Ó ti di woro sí woro nìyẹn o. Wọ́n ní another condition ní fún Sultan of Sokoto kó kọ́kọ́ wá o. Tó bá ti kọ́ àwọn Catholic churches yẹn káàkiri tán, á ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọ́n á wá ṣe baptism, wọ́n á wá rìbọnú ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù, wọ́n á wá to be born again, á fàyè ẹ̀ fún Jésù, á jẹ́wọ́ ní Olúwa àti olùgbàlà rẹ̀. Ìgbà yẹn ni ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lè wọ̀. Ẹjọ́ kí Sultan of Sokoto kọ́kọ́ wó mosque, ó dàbí ìgbà ta ní kéèyàn gbé màálù gba ojú window bíi ti bó. Àwọn ọmọ oró wọn gbégbá o. Ó dàbí ẹni kí wọ́n gbé màálù gba tójú abẹ́rẹ́ nídù. Ó mọ̀, ó bá fẹ́ fòwú sí òwú tiny òwú, wàá máa wò báyìí ni. Àìmọye wa la lè fi sí. Kó wá ní kó gbé màálù gba tójú kìíní yẹn, ṣé o rí pé impossible ni. Ẹ wá tún ní condition wo lẹ wá gbé sọ́ta, ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò ní lè yí ẹ púpọ̀ o. Wá wo fídíò yìí.
After building the biggest mosque in Ofiko, Fulanis are now demanding we want Sharia law in southeastern part of Nigeria. The way Sultan has commanded Sharia law to commence in Yoruba land. Mr. Raf, what has the Igbo leaders gotten themselves into? We don't need Igbo leaders. There are no Igbo leaders. What we have are Igbo political leaders that are errand boys to their Fulani masters. So we don't have Igbo leaders. The Igbo leaders are the youth. The Igbo leader, as I'm talking to you now, one person that is Igbo leader is those ones that are going errand for their Fulani masters. And for Sultan of Sokoto to be asking and giving order to build mosque, biggest one in the southeast, and they install Sharia court in the southeast and Sharia law. We the youths, the people of Igbo land, Anambra, Imo State, Enugu, Ebonyi, and Abia, we are asking Sultan of Sokoto to remove the whole gigantic mosque he constructed in Sokoto State. Gigantic mosque they built and constructed in Abuja. Gigantic mosque they built and constructed all over northeastern Nigeria, come out northwest, mid belt. A man that wants all of us to be attending mosque, but abandoning church where we are worshiping our own God. We are giving Sultan of Sokoto order to go and dismantle all these gigantic, colossal and immense mosque he built across northern region. That is our own quest. Then number two, we are asking those mosques, their occupants, their worshippers, their alfas, the imam, including Sultan of Sokoto, to come to Apostolic Church. And listen to me, Okelowa Abeokuta, and give their life to Christ. All of them, they should confess that Jesus Christ is the Lord on that altar of that gigantic Catholic Church and Apostolic Church at Okelowo Abeokuta. That is our own quest too. If they could all imbibe by the rule and the orders we are giving them right now, I don't think we have any reason to at least reject Sharia law in southeastern Nigeria. So you are countering Sultan that Sultan should give your life to Christ. My brother, look at me. That is equal right we have in the world, on the earth, not only in Nigeria. Everybody is capable to exist on his own, worship his own God, follow the religion that his spirit has accepted. I don't have to force anybody on my own, religion, to live his own religion and embrace my own. If I do so, it means I'm a wicked, ruthless and godless man. But I will do you unto you as you do unto me. That is one life.
Kí ọ̀rọ̀ mi kó wá lè yé dáadáa. Ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ wípé some years back, about 8 years ago, àwọn South East representatives wọ́n reject, wọ́n jà fitafita ní ọdún náà lọ́hùn pé ẹ má include Sharia law sí inú constitution Nigeria because Nigeria is a secular state tó jẹ́ wípé à ń practice àìmọye many religion. Àwọn ètò popular ní ìṣẹ̀ṣe Mùsùlùmí, Kristẹni, àìmọye àwọn other religions tó wà nínú Nigeria yàtọ̀ sí mẹ́ta yẹn tí ò popular like that. Àìmọye ló dẹ̀ jẹ́ Nigerians tí wọ́n ti believe in any religion tó kàn live ìgbésí ayé wọn jẹ́jẹ́lì. You understand? Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ̀yin ìran mi, ǹjẹ́ mọ̀ wípé 8 years ago, àwọn South East representative, House of Representatives, wọ́n reject pé kí wọ́n má add Sharia law or whatsoever sí inú constitution Nigeria. Ibo ni àwọn Yorùbá representatives wà ní ọdún náà tí àwọn náà ò lè sọ wípé we supported them. Here we are today. Àti Nkewa Iwala. Gbogbo nǹkan ni àwọn representatives wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tí wọ́n máa fi kú ẹnu. Gbogbo bá ṣe sọ yìí náà o lè rí kí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ní house o. Anything tí àwọn northerner bá láwọn fẹ́ ṣe ní house, ṣé mọ̀ pé àwọn northerner náà pọ̀ jù ní house, wọ́n dominate house. But ìyẹn ò ní wípé àwọn ìwọ̀nba tó bá represent ọmọ Yorùbá kí ló dé tán kí lè wà vocal tí wọn kì í lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀kan gba salary ẹ̀kan wà ṣá. Torí hardly ni máa fi rí anything tó bá ń debate ní house tí àwọn representative ti Yorùbá tó bá wà ńbẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa wà bold láti sọ̀rọ̀. No, wọ́n kú ẹnu ìgbà tí Buhari wà ńbẹ̀ tó bá asọ̀sọ̀sọ̀ wọn nítorí Buhari tó wà ńbẹ̀ ni kò ṣe elédè wọn tó wà ńbẹ̀ ìgbà yẹn ló wá worse àti ẹ̀wà gbọ́ nǹkan kan lẹ́nu wọn, wọ́n dákẹ́ lọ gánrin, wọ́n ti yọjí all of a sudden. 8 years ago, àwọn South East caucus of the House of Representatives wọ́n dábọ̀ ìjà tá ogun tó yàn àwọn jihadists, àwọn ará North, Sultan of Sokoto, ogun tó fi ń jà Southern nísìn wọ́n dábọ̀ ẹ̀. Wà ní rọ́ ni mo wá rí. From Kemi Yesufu at Ndubisi Oji, Abuja, the South East caucus of the House of Representatives has rejected introduction of Sharia in the Constitution. Oh, long Chairman of the caucus and deputy minority leader, Chukwuka Oyema, told National Assembly correspondents, a good member of ranking members from the zone understand that all bills seeking an amendment of the Constitution shall be passed for second reading and referred to the ad hoc committee on Constitution. It would be wrong to say they were caught unawares. Ǹjọ́ wá mọ̀ wípé after tí wọ́n gbìyànjú títí after the second reading, the third reading, wọ́n ohun ò gòkè torí pé àwọn northerner no dominate house. Ìwọ̀nba southerner ló wà ńbẹ̀. And ìwọ̀nba southerner tó wà ńbẹ̀ wọ́n ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ wà àwọn eléyìí tí ẹ̀ ń gbìyànjú Yorùbá ò tiẹ̀ wà vocal. Kò síbi tá a ti rí wọn tó ń stand for anything. You see? Ká ní gbogbo southerner lọ́dún náà náà about that 8 years ago, wọ́n jọ wà united tí wọ́n jọ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ láti sọ wípé ẹ má pass Sharia law sí inú constitution Nigeria. Bóyá ọba pass as in ọba má ṣe. But nítorí pé minority òun ni àwọn ti South East tí wọ́n ń sọ wípé kán má fi síbẹ̀, àwọn ti Yorùbá trust them, àbòsí ó ti bà tí wọ́n jẹ́ wọn ní sọ̀rọ̀. Here we are lónìí báyìí. Àìsọ̀rọ̀ yín lọ́dún náà náà òun ó ti pa wá lóǹgbẹ nísìn. Àbírọ́ ni mo pa. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa kú ẹnu. Àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ti yarí tán pátápátá o. Ó ti rí bí wọ́n ṣe fohùn lẹ̀ fún wọn. Ó ti rí condition tí wọ́n fún Sultan of Sokoto. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá jẹ́ Mùsùlùmí tẹ́ ẹ súnmọ́ Sultan of Sokoto, ẹ jẹ́ tètè lọ advice ẹ̀ kí àwa Southerner ká tó bojú ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká tó rún ayé ẹ̀. torí nǹkan tó ń gbé bọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá àti nílẹ̀ Ìgbò kò sẹ́nìbọ̀dì tó máa gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ẹ jẹ́ kó mú mọ ní ọ̀dọ̀ wọn ní nọ́ọ̀tì ń bẹ̀ òun là ń sọ sẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹni mùsùlùmí tó bá ní dandandan òun wá ṣàríà ó ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti kó ẹrù ẹ kó ní dandan kó kú sílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kó ẹrù ẹ kó kẹ́rù kó mọ̀ sókè rájà lọ múlé tí Sultan kó máa practice nǹkan tó fẹ́ practice ń bẹ̀ kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ṣùgbọ́n kò tí ì tán tún wá wo fídíò mi ṣàpàlẹ̀.
So for Nigeria, we are drifting backward to 50 years. After 50 years again, we are going to move backward to 100 years. Because the Fulani man does not know anything about Western culture or Western culture, education or civilization. What Fulani man knows is Islamic ideology. Only to obey Muhammad, pray 5 times in a day, pray 3 times at night, wake up and go to mosque, go back to your slum. And there's nothing like modern science and technology where this kind of species, these species of African tribe are. The Fulanis, all they know is animal husbandry, rearing of animals from one place to another. You don't know pastoral system of farming. That is what they are. That is what they know. And that's why Nigeria can never move forward, because they have come and seized Nigeria. And other local tribes in Nigeria, they have bought with their money and initiated them into such political, dynasty that belong to them, that has been running for over how many years in Nigeria now. No tribe in Hausa, no tribe in Igbo and Yoruba that could understand the music we are playing. They have all been deceived. Nigeria, they kill their farmers, they come in the town, kidnap all their people. That is what is going on in the Eka North now. And the Igrampa and the Gongo community in Oyo State and Osun State are not left out. The farmers over there has been disallowed in their great numbers by the Fulani headers. That is what is going on now. Then in Igbo land as well, the youths are not relenting. They come out to tell the politicians and their Fulani masters the truth, that they are responsible for the killing 4 days ago in Ebonyi State, where a whole village was wiped out. They in their farmland where they, build many makeshift their houses and slums in the farmland there. The Fulanis attacked and invaded them, and that was when Nigerian soldiers went to those farmers that are living in their slums there, assured them of security, assured them there's nothing like incursion of the headers, that they are on the safer hand. These people went into their bed, locked their door. They woke up around 2 a.m. The whole houses were circled with fuel. They poured petrol on those houses, set it ablaze, killing the whole villagers. After Nigerian soldiers has actually assured them that their safety has been guaranteed. What are we saying? The youth in the southeastern Nigeria are the one that is taking up, yes, with federal government of Nigeria, both shoulder to shoulder, fire for fire, money for money. The politicians in Igbo land, they are flukes, they have failed. All they do is to play politics with the Fulani, their Fulani masters, on the Igbo's blood, at the expense of Igbo man's blood and pains. We don't have politicians, we don't have elders in Igbo.
So ti wá rí àwọn nọ́dẹ́nà yìí wọn ò fi ìwà tèmi lọ́rùn lẹ̀, wọn ò fi wá lọ́rùn lẹ̀, wọ́n sẹ́ndì wa back ni. Àwọn ni wọ́n jẹ́ kí Nàìjíríà grow, wọ́n jẹ́ kí North grow. Ṣó mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa ń pèdè kan wípé anything tó bá fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà, it has to come from the North. Ṣó irọ́ ni lójú tiẹ̀? Àwọn ni wọ́n decide in Nàìjíríà, àwọn ni wọ́n fẹ́ kí North grow so that àwọn majority, ṣó mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa pariwo population wọn. Wọn ò fẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ mẹ̀kúnnù, àwọn ọmọ aláìní bíi tiwa bẹ́ẹ̀ níbi bẹ̀ kí wọ́n dúró kọ́ mọ wọ́ọ̀ tó yàtọ̀ sí tòsí, kí wọ́n wà bold enough láti lè challenge wọn, kí wọ́n ní ìgbésí ayé rere tí gbogbo àwọn normal woman bẹ̀ tí wọ́n gbé, instead of kí wọ́n wà nínú igbó àbí kí wọ́n wà ní city kan máa tọrọ jẹ kiri, àbí kọ́kọ́ jẹ́ wípé tó bá ti lọ sí ilé one of their leaders, tó bá ti jẹ tàárọ̀, tó jẹ tọ̀sán, tó jẹ talẹ́ ńbẹ̀, kò tún sí nǹkan tó kù fún wọn. Ìgbésí ayé yẹn náà fẹ́ kí gbogbo ọmọ Nigerians kí wọ́n máa gbé. Are we like this? Ṣé lifestyle wa bó ṣe rí nìyẹn? Àwa kì í ṣerú, ẹrú ló ń múra wọn, ẹrú náà ń pera wọn, ẹrú Ọlọ́run. Ọmọ Ọlọ́run là wá. Àwa kì í ṣe àlìmájìrì, ìran baba ńlá baba tèmi kì í ṣe àlìmájìrì. Afúnni là wá, àwa máa ń fún nìyàn ni. Ìran aládé ni, ọlọ́lá ni wá, aládé ni wá. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹwọ́n nǹkan tí àwọn nọ́dẹ́nà tó sọ wádìí. Kẹ́rẹ́kẹ́rẹ́, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí máa fẹ́ dí nǹkan mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n máa fẹ́ sọ gbogbo Nàìjíríà, wọ́n máa fẹ́ sọ di àlìmájìrì, ká máa ṣiṣẹ́, ká máa tinú gbódénugbó láì ṣèpè. Èpè ní lọ́dọ̀ wa tó bá sọ fẹ́ pé o máa ti gbódégbó, ti wọ wèrè nìyẹn. Wà á tinú ìjùdéjù, ṣùgbọ́n kì í ṣe bí ti náà tó. Lifestyle tí wọ́n gédégbé nìyẹn. àwọn ò wálé ayé ìgbésí ayé rere tí gbogbo ọmọlúàbí ń gbé káàkiri all over the world. Nọ́dẹ́nà àwọn Fúlàní inú igbó ni wọ́n ń gbé. Wọ́n á ti inú igbó kan bọ́ sí láti kọ́ńtì kan bọ́ sínú kọ́ńtì míì. Wọ́n á bá màlúù sùn, kò sẹ́ranko tán kì í bá sùn. Wọ́n á bá ewúrẹ́ sùn, wọ́n á bá ògúnfe sùn, wọ́n á bá ajá sùn, gbogbo ajá torí tán kó káàkiri inú igbó wọ́n bá sùn. Ìyàwó wọn ní. Wọ́n wá fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa kárí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn àgbààgbà wa tó yẹ kí wọ́n lè dìde fún wa wípé ìgbésí ayé ti yín bí Ọlọ́run ti yín ṣe dá yín ó yàtọ̀ sí bí Ọlọ́run ti wá ṣe dá wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Àwa àwọn èèyàn wo ò ní gba nǹkan tẹ́yìn fi ń lọ̀ wá ẹ̀wọ̀n ò ní gbà lọ́wọ́ wa. Stop it. Kí inú wa lè máa dùn pé àwa náà ní àwọn àgbààgbà tó kí ẹ̀ nípa life wa. Ṣùgbọ́n disappointment lèmi àti ẹ bá ń bẹ̀. Kò ságbàgbà kan. Kò dẹ̀ ṣe pé wọn ò wà bold. Kò ṣe wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti lọ lẹ́nu wọn àbí wọn mọ the right thing láti sọ. Rárá, oil block ti gbà ní. Connection tó ń wá kiri ti gbà. Dọ́là ti gbà lẹ́nu wọn. Ó ní ò jẹ́ kí wọ́n rọ́rọ̀ sọ mọ́. Wọ́n wá mú Nàìjíríà, wọ́n dojú ẹ̀rú, wọ́n make it. Wọ́n ní kó dúró sójú kan kó wà stagnant. Tó bá tiẹ̀ pé ó wà stagnant ni, it could have been better. Wọ́n wá sọ Nàìjíríà the backwardness. Even in African country, àwọn neighboring African country, wọ́n wá gbogbo ọ̀nà, wọ́n ń jà takuntakun wípé wọ́n fẹ́ upgrade, wọ́n fẹ́ bẹ́gbẹ́ pé every other developed country. Ṣùgbọ́n Nàìjíríà 50 years ago, wọ́n gbé wa padà. Wọ́n tún dá wa another one tó máa dá wa padà 100 ni. Kí ló dé? National anthem, backward, everything. Wọ́n náà fẹ́ take wa to back to bá ṣe wà tẹ́lẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n take gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ kán ṣe kán take it back. Nǹkan tó bá ti pay wọn, òun ni wọ́n ń ṣe. Ibo ni wa tèmi fẹ́ bá yàrá ìjà. Kí lọ̀nà àbáyọ? Ọmọ Yíbò ti mú gbéta. Mo mọ̀ pé wa tèmi náà ti ṣe ìpariwo lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Má sùn lé o, má rò ipọ́n ti gbàgbé o. Má believe ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn o. Jẹ́ kí wa tèmi ranjú kalẹ̀ báyìí. Ọmọ Yíbò ti náwọn ò ní leaders and elder, àwọn youth ara wọn ni leaders wọn tó ń gbẹnu sọ, tó ń represent ara wọn. Ṣé kò wá ti dà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lọ́dọ̀ tiwa báyìí? A ní leader àti elder mọ́. Àwa youth yìí tí ìyà ń jẹ torí àwa la ṣe wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀ láwà lójú ẹ̀ àtàwọn ọmọ tá a bí táwọn ọmọ yẹn á tún bímọ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àwa ní ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ ká dìde fúnra wa. Ǹjẹ́ o ní leader tó rò pé ó lè stand fún ìwà àtẹ̀mí mọ́ báyìí? Ó ti dojúrú o. Owó lẹ everybody ń wá kiri. Mo sọ yìí mo dúró náà o. Má gbàgbé láti bá mi pé ètò yìí káàkiri, orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà. Yèyé Dára Kowé kòkòkò ó lèmi jẹ́. Bá mi love video yìí, bá mi like ẹ̀, bá mi drop comment ẹ̀, bá mi share káàkiri gbogbo ibi tó yẹ kó dé. Àyè ṣì wà fún ìwà tèmi láti tọ́mọlúàbí wa ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Great Yorùbá land. Great.